Have you ever dropped your phone, spilled your coffee, or bumped your head on a door? Ouch! These little accidents happen to all of us. In today's lesson, you'll learn 30 useful English sentences that native speakers use when talking about everyday accidents, mistakes, spills, and kitchen mishaps. These practical expressions will help you sound more natural and confident in real-life conversations. So, are you ready to learn some useful English the easy way? Let's get started. Oops! I tripped and fell down. Oops! I tripped and fell down. Oh no! I slipped on the wet floor. Oh no! I slipped on the wet floor. Ouch! I stubbed my toe on the sofa. Ouch! I stubbed my toe on the sofa.
I bumped my head against the cupboard. I bumped my head against the cupboard. I accidentally hit my elbow on the door. I accidentally hit my elbow on the door.
I almost fell down the stairs. I almost fell down the stairs.
I scratched my knee on the chair. I scratched my knee on the chair.
I lost my balance and fell off the bed. Ouch! I stepped on a Lego brick. Ouch! I stepped on a Lego brick.
I walked into the glass door because it was so clean. I walked into the glass door because it was so clean.
Oh no! I spilled my coffee on the rug. Oh no! I spilled my coffee on the rug. Oops! I knocked over the water glass. Oops! I knocked over the water glass. I dropped my phone on the floor. I dropped my phone on the floor.
I accidentally broke a ceramic plate. I accidentally broke a ceramic plate.
The milk boiled over and made a mess. The milk boiled over and made a mess. I spilled oil on my favorite t-shirt. I spilled oil on my favorite t-shirt.
The grocery bag tore and everything fell out. The grocery bag tore and everything fell out.
Oops, I dropped the eggs. Oops, I dropped the eggs. I spilled some soup on the table. I spilled some soup on the table. The vase fell off the table and broke. The vase fell off the table and broke. Ouch! I burnt my finger on the hot pan. Ouch! I burnt my finger on the hot pan. I accidentally cut my finger while chopping onions. I accidentally cut my finger while chopping onions. The knife slipped, but luckily I am okay. The knife slipped, but luckily I am okay. I ruined my white shirt in the washing machine. I ruined my white shirt in the washing machine. I touched the hot kettle by mistake. I touched the hot kettle by mistake.
The soup is too salty. I put too much salt. The soup is too salty. I put too much salt.
I accidentally turned off the fridge. I accidentally turned off the fridge. I spilled washing powder everywhere. I forgot to turn off the iron. I forgot to turn off the iron. no! I burnt the toast again! Oh no! I burnt the toast again! Great job! Which sentence was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.